So let's get started. So first we'll start off with the basic definitions. Okay, what is stridor, what is wheezing, etc. So stridor, the common definition that we use is a stridor is a harsh sound. It is usually a high pitched sound and most often it is inspiratory. We are of course going to talk about what is an inspiratory stridor, what is a biphasic stridor and expiratory stridor during this presentation. Just remember, stridor most often is an inspiratory sound. Whenever there is an obstruction of the upper airway, it results in a stridor. So stridor is usually monophonic, whereas wheeze is a polyphonic sound. So why there is a stridor? Okay, so whenever there is I told you, whenever there is an obstruction of the upper airway, it results in an inspiratory stridor. So this is the upper airway. So say there is a foreign body obstruction or there is a croup like that is laryngitis or laryngotracheitis is happening here.